If you become great at one thing, you can then do everything else.
What are some of your best marketing tips?
Yeah, that's like asking how a watch is made in 30 seconds. To answer that too quickly is to go straight to tactics, and I don't believe in tactics. I believe in being strategic.
Okay.
You don't fill up huge rooms without tactics, but it's the principles. Principle number one, have a great product. Principle two, have great service. Think about Apple, think about Nordstrom's. Most people are sitting there churning through people, churning through relationships, because they think it's all about marketing, where it's really about create great stuff and then learn to connect the dots on how to reach the right people. And then you just got to figure out how to monetize that in a way that's congruent with you. And that's the 30-second answer to a 6-hour seminar, But be on purpose, get connected, don't try and cheat the system. People are doing way too many tactics and not enough things that have synergy and will compound, and trying to create one great product. If you become great at one thing, you can then do everything else. Too many people are trying to become good at too many things instead of great at one thing. Once I could fill up huge seminar rooms, then the world was mine. I could then take one more thing and one more thing. So I loved when you said earlier, you figure out Facebook, then you went to Instagram, then you went to YouTube or LinkedIn. When you said that, I thought, yes, that's how it's done.